The next thing that you do after creating a Facebook page is market your brand with Facebook. To do that, you need to do the following steps. You first need to create and deliver rich and authentic content. Also choose the correct day and time for your content when it will be published on the page. By choosing the correct time and day, it will help you engage with your audience better, because that is the only time when the audience will see your content more when they log into Facebook. Also make sure that you do not stick to photographs and videos to be uploaded as a content on your Facebook page. There are various other medias that can be uploaded as per the recent trend, that is Gifs, videos, images, polls, and there are different other forms. Then the next step is to increase your fan base and then add more tabs and apps which can be used by the audience to get access to the different services by the company. One of the most important tab that generally businesses set up on their Facebook page is the customer service tab or the inquiry tab, where they can fill in their details and also share their concerns and queries. The next step that is more important to market your business on Facebook is increasing the engagement quotient of your content. If your content is not engaging and interesting enough, it will not create the engagement quotient that is required and hence will not reach to the desired audience.